Okay, this is going to be the Insider's video review for Thursday, February the 4th, 2016 for Drum Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today we're just looking at weak dot pushes, and we had 6 of them, 3 winners and 3 I'm calling break even. Let's look at them now. If you're just joining us, the weak dot push setup is when the blue dot is above the solid white midline, and then it retraces back to the solid white midline or lower into what we call the block, pops higher into this upper yellow, upper purple overlap or upper magenta overlap. And this is where we look for the dot to stay weak, in other words below the solid white midline, and we look to sell it here on the trade chart when we get a red brick like that. And our stop's always going to be 2 ticks above this upper energy band. Unless price is above the upper pink energy band, then we'll go 2 ticks above it. When we look at a trade like this, we're going to target back to this white dotted midline. So we're looking at coming back to about 1.5 on this trade. You can see price flushes down at least to that level. So we'll look at the next setup. Okay, we've got a weak dot push here for another sell opportunity. Again, what we're looking for is price to be coming down to this white dotted line, lower green energy band here about even to 01. Price flushes lower down into that level. Now we're getting a weak dot buy opportunity. We're looking to go back to this white dotted line area up here, even 01 again. Price pops higher, flushes on or pops on up to even up here. And there was a way to trade manage throughout this and continue along for this push higher. The way we know that is because the weak dot push tells us this lower green energy band is going to hold. And that's the whole point, that we're going to go back to the white dotted midline. A little bit of theory, but it goes a long way. We had a weak dot push. You probably wouldn't have taken this. Stepping right in front of the train here with our VEA smart signal indicator, that is. If you don't have it and you're taking a weak dot push, then you're going to probably break even on this trade here. We got another trade opportunity here. You can see the market just go sideways. I'm calling that a break even as well. This is the other break even. So we're calling this weak dot push here up into this upper yellow, upper termination with the down white arrow. We would call this a break even as well. We're not counting the blue arrow because the dot here wasn't above the solid white midline here. Very close. This is what we call a weak dot followed by a lower weak dot into a crest. And you can see that one did extremely well, flushed lower, but we're not including that. So if you're interested in learning a very simple but a highly profitable method, have a look at our website. We're to be releasing the new VEA Smart Signal. There's also a video here that you can watch, and it illustrates how simple it is to use. Thank you very much for your interest. If you have any questions, send them to jb@drumandenergybands.com. Thank you.